Today we will continue with the second lesson, topic 13, equivalent fractions. Use the number line. What we will do today, we will solve questions like these questions. Write two fractions that name the same location on the number line. As you can see, for each number line we have two spaces. We have the same point, two fractions, we need to write them. And before we start, my heroes, I want to remind you about the main idea, so I can do this through these questions. Let's start with question number 1. We've solved, of course, yesterday question number 3 and 4. I will remind you about what we did yesterday. And I will start first now with question number 1. In question number 1 here, my heroes, complete the number line to show that 2 sectors and 1/3 are equivalent fractions. So we need to complete this number line, and as you can see, the number line is divided into 6 lengths. And when we divide the number line into 6 lengths, so each one length is 1/6. Again, when we divide the number line into 6 lengths, as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the distance from 0 to 1, this distance is divided into 6 equal parts. So each part of them is 1/6. And we will start after the first. This point will be 1/6. And after 1/6, it will be, of course, 2 sectors, 3 sectors, 4 sectors, 5 sectors, and the whole one is 6 sectors. Okay, when you reach the whole one and you have the same numerator and the same numerator and denominator up and down, so you are right, you are solving correct, you don't have any problems. Okay, let's see if we divide it into, this is the distance from 0 to 1, we will divide this distance into how many distance, how many length? This is 1, from here to here 2, from here to here 3, so each one is 1/3. Let's write it. So the first one here is, after the first length, 1/3, after the second, 2/3, and here after the third, 3/3. So let's erase this so we can see it well. So as you can see, my heroes, now we have 2 sectors and 1/3, they are the same. That's what the question wants us to do. Okay? Any problems? Any questions? Okay. So, yesterday we've solved question 3 and 4. So let's now move down to solve more questions. Any problems about these questions? Okay. Amir?
I am here, teacher.
Okay, in question number 5, go ahead.
Question number 5. Okay. The first zero, then okay. First, we will should know how many of these. So we will count 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so
First,
mhm.
and 1, 8.
And in this space I should write
Then we will write
here in
1 fourth. 1 here we will write 2 8.
okay, and of course we have all the others. Yes, and the other one.
Then it will be 1 fourth. Because after
The distance.
after 2 it have fourth. It will be 1 fourth.
Yes, that's right. So let's write the two fractions down.
1 fourth.
2 eighths equals.
2 eighths and 1 fourth.
Excellent, thank you, my hero. Good work. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. Mayed,
I am here.
go ahead. Question number 6. We start first with this one.
Yes. 1 sixes, 2 sixes, 3
Mm-hmm.
sixes,
Mm-hmm.
4.
Excellent. For what?
4 sixes.
Excellent. Okay, of course we have 5 sectors already, and the whole one is 6 sectors. And let's try to make the fraction here.
2/3.
Excellent, 2/3. Can you explain why?
Because
After 1/3? Okay, that's right. We divided the distance from 0 to 1 into 3 equal parts. So this is 1, this is the second, and this is the third. So this is 1/3, and here 2/3. And of course, when we see here 1/3, so the next after the same distance, this is 1/3. So after the same distance, it will be 2/3. Okay. So what? Let's write the two fractions down here. What are the two equivalent fractions?
4 sixes and 2/3.
Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, go ahead. Let's move to the next one. Muhammad Bukhamsin. محمد بو50. Okay, Muhammad is not here. رضا العلي.
Yes.
Okay, Rida, go ahead. What should I write here?
4
Mm-hmm. For what?
4/8.
Excellent. 4/8. Okay, and of course after 4 we have 5, 6, 7, and the one is 8/8. Okay, down here.
Uh, 1/2.
1/2, that's right. But as you can see in this question, of course 1/2 is correct. But in this question, we have 1/4 here and 3/4 is here. Yes, Rida? Rida, can you hear me?
Yes.
I said 1/2 is right because we are in the middle, exactly in the middle. That's correct. But for this question, we have 1/4 here and 3/4 is here. Yes, between 1 and 2, sorry, between 1 and 3, it will be.
Teacher, I know it.
Oh, you will get a note because Rida is answering now. Okay, I will not write the note. Please, my hero, do not use your mic without permission. Rida, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 1/4. Why? Because we divide the distance from 0 to 1 into 4 equal lengths. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one is 1/4. The second one is the first is 1/4. So the next will be
1/3.
no. This is 1/4. Okay, look at question number 5. It's the same. Like question number 5. 3/4. My hero, what's between 1 and 3?
2/4.
Yes. Okay, tell me again, what are the two equivalent fractions? The first one is 4/8 and 2/4. Okay, thank you, Rida. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next question. Sahmi,
Yes.
go ahead.
Question number 8.
Yes.
Okay. First, I put 3/3.
3/3.
No, 3/3.
3/3 like this.
What do you mean?
You mean this? I should write this one?
Yes.
Yes, this is 3/3.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so 3/3 is down. So I will write 3/3 down here. Okay. Okay, what should I write in the top?
In the
Yes, in this one.
in up, right, down, right 6.
6 sectors. No, not 6 sectors.
6 6.
Okay, so the first one after 5 sectors it will be 6 sectors, and the second one here after 2/3 we have 3/3. Okay, now tell me again, what are the two fractions?
6
6 sectors. 6
6.
sectors. And the other one? 3/3. Thirds. My hero, I told you before how to read the fractions. Okay? If you have any problems, you can try many times to read the fractions. And if you cannot read it, tell me and I will tell you how to read it. Okay, Sahmi? Check every fraction you see and try to read it.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any questions? Okay, let's go and play a game, then we will come back. Okay, my heroes, let's start with the first question here. Hassan? Hassan Yusuf? Khalid?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead. Okay, this is Hassan. Go ahead, Hassan.
Yes. Use the number line to find an equivalent fraction for 1/3.
Okay, so this is 1/3.
1/3. And then we see the fraction that's under it. We see that the fraction that is under it is 26.
Oh, what? 2 sectors.
2/6. So the answer is 2/6.
Yes, so the correct choice is 2 sectors. Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes. Now let's move to the next question. And this is the second question. Oh. We saw the answer, of course. It's 2/3. And the same way, 2/3 is equivalent to 4 sectors. As you can see here, this is 2/3 and 4 sectors down here. Okay? Any problems? Okay, let's move to the next question. And Khalid, are you here?
My name is Khalid. I come now from the bathroom.
Okay, Khalid. So when you are here now, which fraction on the number line is equivalent to 2/8?
2/8.
Yes, 2/8.
The next one.
Which one, the half or the quarter?
1/4.
1/4. Excellent. Okay, thank you, Khalid. And my heroes, focus. Why is this as the correct one? As you can see, these small ones represent the eighths, divided into 8 parts. So this is 1/8 here, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, and so on. 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, and here 8/8. So when you need to check your work, make sure that when you reach the 1, you have the same numerator and denominator. So you will be sure that this answer is correct. Okay, any problems? So let's move to the next one. Ziad?
Here.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. Look at the fraction on the number line of these fractions is not equivalent to a half. It is 5/8.
5/8 is excellent. Can you explain why? Ziad?
Yeah, because,
Hmm?
because he said not.
Excellent, because we have here not equivalent. So, the one which is not equivalent. Excellent. Thank you, my hero. Great work. My heroes, everyone, do you have any problems with question number 4? So, 1/2 equals 2/4 equals 4/8 equals 8/16. So, the only one that is not equivalent to 1/2 is 5/8. This one. Any problems? Okay, so let's move to the next question. And Ahmed Al Hassan.
Yes.
Go ahead, Ahmed.
Is 4 invent 2, 8, 8, and 1? The answer yes.
Okay, so yes, can you explain why? Four fourths and 8/8. Okay, they are equivalent. I cannot hear you, Ahmed, so I will say it. They are equivalent because Ahmed, you are using your mic, right? I can't hear you. Because they have the same point. They name the same point on the number line.
You're using your mic, right?
Oh, okay, Ahmed.
Yes.
Thank you, Ahmed. Great work. Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. Saleh?
Yes.
Because they name the same point.
Yes,
Oh,
yes, mister.
Thank you.
Okay, Saleh, go ahead.
6, 8.
Can you explain?
Because that, because if we get the 3, because the 3, because the 3/4
And
are
yes,
because the 3 plus the 3 equals 6, and 4 plus 4 equals 8.
okay, that's good idea. But here for this picture, we see that both of them, they have the same place. They name the same point.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, my heroes, we have one more question. And now, question number 7, and this is the last one. Okay. Muhammad Al Ali. Muhammad Al Ali. Okay. Hussein. Go ahead.
Use the number line to find and one equivalent fraction for 1/8.
Okay. So this is 1/8 in the number line, on the number line. What is the equivalent fraction?
2,
16th.
16th.
Yes, thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, thank you, Hussein. And everyone, do you have any questions? We will end the session. Do you have any problems?
No, this is at the end of the session. See you.
Okay, see you, my heroes. This is the end of our session. Goodbye.
This is the end of the session. And goodbye. Anyone want anything?
Goodbye, my heroes.